Christy Anderson at Onus IV, and I'm really excited to be here today to talk with you about BHRT, a new program that we are introducing here at Onus. I'm here today with Kelly Cordy. She's a nurse practitioner now, a part of Onus, and we're here to talk all things BHRT. So, Kelly, Bioidentical Hormone Replacement Therapy, BHRT as it's better known. What is it, and why are you so passionate about it that you've spent the past 7 years becoming an expert?
Thanks for asking, Christy, and I'm so excited to be part of Onus's team as you roll out BHRT. So BHRT is Bioidentical Hormone Replacement Therapy. It's different than other HRT forms, which is hormone replacement therapy, in that even when you say bioidentical hormone, if you really think about it, it's just the most natural form. It's what your own hormones look like in your body.
From a molecular structure.
Exactly.
Got it.
Not synthetic at all. A lot of patients confuse synthetic medications or birth control pills or other types of hormone therapy with bioidentical. And
so what is it made of if it's not synthetic?
It's actually made from yams, but they do synthesize it in the lab. But once in the human body, your body can't tell the difference between yourself, and it just knows what to do with it. It just takes whether it's testosterone, progesterone, or estradiol, and it knows exactly the same molecular structure, and it takes it to all the places, which are many in our bodies, to utilize this important hormone for a function.
So walk me through the process. I'm a woman in my late 30s, late 40s. I'm experiencing some of the symptoms that might make me believe that my hormones are out of whack. What does that look like? What are those symptoms that I might be seeing?
I'm glad you brought that up, because a lot of times people don't even associate them with hormones. They just start having more depression or anxiety. I have a lot of patients that'll come in and say their stress level has not increased necessarily, but their ability to cope. And they're like, I wasn't like that in my 30s and in my 20s. So the change for them is just their hormone levels are dropping, but they didn't associate necessarily the increase in anxiety, the poor sleep that they're getting because they keep waking up throughout the night, the waking that they're getting around their middle section, around their tummies. A lot of times they're low libido. They're just likening it to more stress in their life, when honestly they have the same attraction to their partner as they always have. The libido is just lacking. All hormones.
So share with me, how might a client who's interested in this, what's the process from start to finish? Where do they begin? Here at Onus, we're going to be starting with what process to get them in the door?
It's so much easier than sometimes people think. It just starts with a lab test, so we can really dial in and drill down into the person's specific labs, and then a consultation. And during the consultation with me, we can discuss all of your symptoms that you're having, because they're unique to you, as well as your hormonal levels as well. And then there's other things that tie in, as vitamin deficiencies and minerals that, even though we're doing BHRT, are definitely going to need to be optimized if you're going to get the most from the hormonal therapy as well. And that includes DHEA. It includes looking at your B12, looking at your vitamin D levels, and making sure those are all optimized as well.
I know that's one of the reasons we're really excited to have this here at Onus as part of the package of getting your BHRT pellets. We can also customize D3, B12 packages to optimize the hormonal results as well.
And they're integral. If they all work together synergistically. And so I do like to talk to my patients about their lifestyle. That could be contributing, because I'd love to replace their hormones and restore them to levels of when they were in their healthiest in your 20s and 30s. I like to call it hormone restoration. But I also then we need to make sure that their lifestyle is in place and that their nutrition is in place, and that includes the vitamin and minerals as well.
That makes perfect sense. It all needs to be optimized together in order to be effective.
Exactly.
Awesome. Well, I think this is such an exciting program. We're really passionate here about proactive wellness at Onus, and this is just the next step, offering our clients the best that there is out there available to optimize how you feel each and every day.